So to change your class settings on this VPN, variable power output or whatever, you're going to double tap the I button here, and that's going to basically take you into the settings of the bike. See, right now mine says class 2 boost, throttle enabled. If I double tap the I real quick, I get settings. So I again, I is like enter, so anytime you're ready to hit enter, you're going to hit the I. I'm going to hit the down button, like your power down button, till you get to mode. Hit I, hit enter to get into that, and then up and down will let you change class. I came up down the mountain multiple times in unlimited, checking the different gears. It's basically a 1,000 watt throttle, does full ability. I'm going to try it in class 2 now. I want to see what it's like with a 750 motor and a little bit of throttle and see what that does. So I'm going to hit I again. If you'll go back up to where it says display settings at the top and hit that I again, and then down to exit. Hit that I again, it'll take you out of that and back into this. So now you can see I'm class 2 boost, I can still use a throttle. So let's see what this does.